Hi ma'am sir, good day. I'm John Allen Campwed, 22 years old, graduated at Marikina Polytechnic College, and pursue Certificate of Technology Food Service Management, and my professional background is good at proper handling of food management because that is my profession and I'm capable of it. Some of my skills are hardworking, responsible, have a leadership, and self-motivated person. My personal interest is to cook in our house and watch about culinary skills and anything about food so that it will help me to reach my goal to be a chef in cruise ship. Thank you for listening and I'll have a good day.